The orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid and incenter of the triangle formed by the line x plus y is equal to a with the coordinate axis lie on. So it is given a straight line x plus y is equal to a. So clearly we can say that this line cuts the x-axis at a point a comma 0. Let us take a. This is the origin 0 comma 0, and it cuts the y-axis at a point 0 comma a. So that we can say the distance, it's a right angle isosceles triangle, and the OA is equal to a units, OB is also equals to a units, and AB is equal to under root of a square plus a square, that is 2a square, that is root 2a we can write. So this is a root 2a. The orthocenter, since it is a right angle triangle, we can say orthocenter is equal to the vertex where it forms a right angle triangle, that is 0 comma 0. Orthocenter is O, and circumcenter is the midpoint of AB. In a right angle triangle, circumcenter will be the midpoint of hypotenuse. So midpoint of AB, which is equal to, so a by 2 comma a by 2, and centroid of triangle x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, that is 0 plus a plus 0 divided by 3. Next is 0 plus a divided by 3, which equals to a upon 3 comma a upon 3. So this is the centroid. And in center we can write like a times of x1, means if the coordinates are here x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, the opposite to the vertex you can take this is equal to a, let me write alpha, and opposite to this vertex say this is beta and this is gamma. So we can write the vertex as alpha times of x1 plus beta times of x2 plus gamma times of x3 divided by alpha plus beta plus gamma. Similarly, the y coordinate also we can write alpha times of y1 plus beta times of y2 plus gamma times of y3 divided by alpha plus beta plus gamma, which equals to, so which equals to alpha is nothing but root 2 times of a into x1, that is 0 x1 plus beta times of, that is a times of x2, that is a, plus beta and gamma times of, that is a times of x3, that is 0. So divided by alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is root 2 times of a plus a comma. Similarly we can write alpha times of y1, alpha times of y1 is 0, that is root 2a times we can write. So we can write here root 2a times of 0 plus beta times of, that is a times of y2, that is 0, plus gamma times, that is a times of y3, that is a, divided by root 2a plus a. So which equals to, this is a square divided by a plus a 2a plus means a taken common 2 plus root 2 comma, and here also we can add a square divided by a common 2 plus root 2. So this is the incenter of the triangle, and we can observe that in orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid, incenter, we can observe that the x coordinate and y coordinate both are equal. So we can say that all these points lie on the line x is equal to y. So we can go with an option, second option, that is y is equal to x.